Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to take a screenshot and send it on Discord. First, press the print screen key on your keyboard. This should open the snipping tool. If the print screen key isn't available or doesn't open the tool, simply search for Snipping Tool from the Windows search bar and open it manually. Once the snipping tool is open, select the area of your screen you want to capture. After taking the screenshot, Windows will save a copy to your clipboard, and it may also save the screenshot in your Screenshots folder. Now open Discord and go to the chat or server where you want to send the screenshot. Right-click inside the message box and select Paste, or simply press Ctrl-V on your keyboard. Your screenshot will appear in the message area. Click Enter or the Send button to upload it. Once the upload is complete, the screenshot will be visible in your Discord chat or server. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.